Welcome to the final output of Site Planning and Design Studio Phase 2, Level 4, Semester 7. It is obvious that the development of the capital city Colombo has impacted for the rapid urbanization of surrounding suburbs. Thus, Kahatuduwa, which is just 20 minutes away from the Colombo city limits along the dual carriage B84 road, is an emerging town centre in western region while showing lots of development potentials. The natural setting with lush green paddy fields creates the uniqueness of the area, and Kahatuduwa interchange is an important element. The selected site is located just 200 meters away from the interchange, which will be the beginning point of Ruwanpura Expressway in the near future. This area provides convenient access for surrounding town centres as Piliyandala and Kasbawa. Moreover, various developments happening in and around Kahatuduwa has become a main reason to foster this city as a full-fledged town in another 2-3 decades ahead, with a high demand for commercial and residential uses. Understanding this development pressure which is coming around, a development guide plan was formulated to regulate the development activities. According to the selected site, it is located in the central city core district, where will be the key commercial and service point of Kahatuduwa. It is expected to have a convenient and active city core while accommodating a range of commercial activities. Considering the entire Kahatuduwa, these are the adjoining land uses. The selected site is a 1.15 hectare land located beside the Kirivattuduwa road. The site, which consists existing public fair, is owned by UDA and the other side is owned by private. These drawings emphasize the existing condition of the site. Facing to the Colombo-Hornet Road, the land occupied to the existing public fair of Kahatuduwa and some retail activities. Moving on to the site analysis, more than 80% of the existing use of the selected site is allocated for commercial activities. Considering 1 kilometer buffer, 20% of the total land is allocated for commercial land. The nodal connectivity and integration of the site is comparatively high, whereas we can see a less integrity. According to the DPI, the site locates in a place of high development pressure and which has potential to develop in the future. The land values are drastically increasing within the last 2 decades. Considering the environmental character, temperature of the site is comparatively high and this land plot is located in the low-lying area. Accordingly, 3 alternative proposals were evaluated to select the best use for the selected site. They are the fitness for the DGP, ability to cater the future development trend, and the potential impact on the neighborhood areas are some key concerns. However, after evaluating them by using a multi-criteria analysis, Commercial City Centre Development has identified as the best proposal for the site. Moving on to the need of this project for Kahatuduwa, as previously said, this site is located in a strategic location. Proposed transportation development, increase in residential demand and apartment concentration reason out the need of upgraded commercial activities in the central city core. Moreover, a high consideration has given for the central city core, where the plot coverage of 60% with a maximum height of 15 meters. The high concentration of population will demand high quality commercial and services utilities. Moreover, there is a need of harnessing the sense of place which ensuring public recreational facilities for both the residents and outsiders. But in the existing situation, lack of commercial and services facilities, inadequate open spaces, inconvenient access for the day-to-day shopping needs and the linear ad hoc development can be seen as the problems of the selected site. Understanding the future demand and the gap, the 3 project components will be selected to develop an integrated manner. To develop node as the main landmark, provide convenient access for the high quality commercial and service need through a city centre development, and to provide quality open spaces integrated with surrounding environment. There are the main 3 components of the project. Accordingly, this will be a regional level development which serves residents, Kahatuduwa interchange users and the daily passing by population. The demanding factors will be recreational facilities, upgraded commercial and services utilities, and to provide everything under one roof. There is no similar kind of service providers in nearby area except Colombo. By analyzing the supply gaps, it is expected to harness the potential of the location to attract customers and investors to ensure fun-filled shopping experience for the demanding population. Accordingly, this is the conceptual diagram which shows three project components. The site is providing convenient access for the proposed neighborhood clusters as well. The form of the overall site is oriented while giving the focus for the main node. It will ensure the visibility of the site and create a welcoming sort of atmosphere. Considering the proposed layout plan, there will be two separate buildings connected with the gateway connector. The main shopping wing, the main service wing, the proposed recreational area and the node development with Kirivattura road widening are the main elements. The proposed pedestrian access, walkways, vehicular access and the parking arrangement is visualized in the layout plan. This is the site cross section which shows the integrity of the node. City centre wings, public car park, vibrant open spaces and the open recreational area with the canal. These are the uses allocated for each level. The main shopping wing will have G+4 levels, whereas the proposed service wing will consist with G+3 levels. The infrastructure demand is calculated as per the standards. The main cost components of the project is considered and there will be a 866 million cost investment for this project. Accordingly to the financial statement, this project will have 27.74% internal rate of return. The public-private partnership has selected as a possible investment mechanism. Accordingly, the land, consultant services, professional fees will be borne by the UDA while private investor do the construction of the project, and this will be based on 49 years lease. Considering the scale of the development, there should be a social impact assessment. The identified stakeholders will be impacted both positively and negatively. Thus, a SIA is needed for this project. Moreover, as per the UDA regulations, commercial spaces exceeding 10,000 square feet and facing for national highway is required to do a traffic impact assessment. So, there is clear determination of the need of a TIA. The overall site plan is formulated while adhering to the DGP guidelines as the 60% of plot coverage, maximum 15 meters building height and 1 to 2.5 of maximum floor area ratio with upgraded road network. It will provide 1.5 meters pedestrian walkways to upgrade walkability of the area. The vibrant open spaces will add a scenic beauty and no boundary walls were used in order to ensure permeability. The overall site orientation is for the main landmark and in the junction, the pocket parks in front of buildings will strengthen social interactions and gathering places. The visibility of the canal and the surrounding paddy lands are further preserved and incorporated for the open recreational area. The walkways can be used as an access way for the main shopping wing and it will serve disability access as well. This vibrant open space will serve the purpose of leisure and play with outdoor seating arrangement. This will provide better breathable places, co-working places, social gathering places for the visitors, surrounding residents and the customers for the main shopping wing and the main service wing. The open spaces will be well connected with the built structures while enhancing visual integrity. The accessways for the basement parking area avoid dead spaces and a maximum effort has taken to ensure safety of the overall site area. Finally, it is expected to achieve the envisaged live city core area with the proposal. Thank you.